Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Coinbase when ACH is under review step by step clearly. To withdraw from Coinbase when your ACH transfer is under review, first, log into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the portfolio section of your account. Locate the asset you wish to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Select the currency you want to withdraw, such as USD. If your ACH transfer is under review, you'll see a notification alerting you. Read the message carefully to understand the reason for the delay. Navigate to the Linked Accounts section in your account settings. Check the status of your linked bank account. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. If corrections are necessary, update your bank account information. Once your bank account is verified and active, return to your withdrawal request. Attempt to withdraw the funds again. If the ACH review persists, consider waiting for Coinbase to complete the process. Typically, this may take a few days, depending on their verification procedures. Keep an eye on your email for notifications from Coinbase regarding your account status. You may also contact Coinbase support for assistance if needed. Persistence is key, as resolution might take some time. Check back frequently for any updates or changes to the review status. Once the review is complete, you should be able to withdraw your funds successfully. Confirm the withdrawal transaction to ensure it's processed. After a successful withdrawal, monitor your bank account for the transfer. Stay informed about Coinbase policies on ACH transfers to avoid future issues. Remember to exercise patience during any review process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.